Welcome to Golden Chef Food Channel, Chinese New Year and Valentine special. My name is Jeremy. Today I will share with you a dish called Love You 3000. Why I name this dish is Love You 3000? Because today I'm using a minced meat. Combine all the minced onion, minced jicama and minced carrot inside the minced meat. After that we will coat a bread and we will deep fry. Okay, so looks up our ingredient. What we have is minced meat, our egg white, our shallot, our jicama and our carrot, and our filling is crab stick. Now I will cut our filling or crab stick as a filling. Okay, so we just cut. Okay, so I've done our filling. So next we will cut with our bread as a outside coating. Okay, so we are using our serrated knife to cut. Okay, so we will trim out the skin. Okay, so our skin we will put aside. Okay, so I will cut into crouton size. Okay, so next we'll keep apart. Okay, just sort it. So we'll cut into this small size. Okay, so we will put our minced meat to a bowl. Okay, so I will put a bit of the egg white. Okay, now I will put some seasoning, some monosodium, some salt, sesame oil, white pepper, few dash, and some corn flour to make it combine. Okay, so now we will mix it in. What the purpose we will put in the corn flour is to make it solid, more binding, and the egg yolk, the function almost the same. Okay, so now we will mix well the egg and the seasoning and the minced meat. Okay, so now we will put in our ingredient, our onion, carrot and our jicama. For that you can see what is jicama. Jicama, our local we will call it sengkuang or mangkuang. Okay, so we will put in our ingredient. So sengkuang in, our onion or shallot, our carrot. Okay, so we just put in, mix it well. Okay, now we will mix it up, mix it well. After that we will pound it. Okay, so now we will pound it. What the purpose I pound it is I want to release the excess air from the meat. Okay, so now we'll separate to few balls. One, two, around four numbers of meat balls. Okay, so we take a numbers of meatball, press it. After that take a numbers of crab stick, stuff in, we will push inside, make as a filling. Okay, after that we will put on top the bread. So later on we will coat with the bread. Okay. Now continue, we will topping and coating our croton on top. Make it stick evenly to the meat. Okay, make it stick well. Any hole you can replace it with our croton. Okay. Slightly press it, make it more compact. Okay, so see. Okay, so what we have. And now we want to know how the oil is ready or not. We will put in some croton to taste. Okay, to test it. Okay, if got many bubble, that means your oil is hot enough. Now we'll take it out. Now we'll slowly put in my meatball inside. Okay, slowly that in. Okay, slow fire. Slowly add in. Okay, now you can see our meatball is golden brown enough, so we will take it out. This is the color we want. And I will make a special hot sauce is served with this Love You 3000. Let's see what we have. Now we will go into our oriental hot sauce. Let's see what we have our ingredient. Okay, so here is water, chili sauce, tomato sauce, our vinegar, lime juice, our white sesame, our shallot, our ginger, our chili, and our garlic. Now we will put in all together to the jug blender and we will blend it all together. Okay, so garlic in, chili in, ginger in, and shallot in. Now we will put in our chili sauce. Okay, so today our sauce, the base is chili sauce, so a bit much than our tomato ketchup. Okay, our ketchup, our lime juice, vinegar, okay, and add it some of the water. Okay, now we will start to blend it. Okay, blend until smooth enough. You can see the color. Okay, now remove out. We pour in to a bowl. Okay. At last, we only add in our sesame seed. We mix in to the sauce. Okay, So this is our sauce. Time to assembly. So we put some sauce. After that, we put in our Love You 3000. This is the dish I shared with you all today. Okay, so if you don't want to use minced meat, you can use fish paste or our prawn paste to replace the minced meat. And the bread you can replace with almond flake or other things. And our oriental hot sauce, if you don't want too soury, you can reduce it. Okay, so this is our dish for today. Thanks for watching Golden Chef Food Channel, Chinese New Year and Valentine's Day special. I hope you stay love, stay sweet, stay at home.
Golden Chef, College of Culinary Art and Hospitality.